Hi friends, today we are trying to calculate surface area of this plate link. Friends, this plate link having irregular in shape and Simpson's 1/3 rule is also used to calculate surface area of any irregular shape. Friends, Simpson's 1/3 rule is a numerical method which is used to calculate area of any irregular shape. So now today we are talking about this plate link and we are trying to calculate total surface area of this plate link. This is a one surface area of this plate link, and opposite side also this is a area of this plate link, surface area of this plate link. If one area is calculated and multiplied by 2, then opposite sides of area also calculated, and this is another one surface area and multiplied by 2 we also calculated opposite side of this surface area, and this is another surface area. Friends, here to here the plate link length from here to here is 140, and we also divided this plate link in equal length by dividing 14. So friends, so length of this plate link from here to here is 140 mm, and by dividing 14 we got 10 mm. So each dot line having like this, having equally spaced 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm and 10 mm. So this is a 10 mm equally spaced each one dot line. So we got now next. And friend, this plate link having 8 4.2 mm diameter holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And one hole is bigger. This hole is 7.5 mm. And this small hole having 8 and diameter having 4.2 mm. So 8 hole having 4.2 mm diameter and one bigger hole having 7.5 mm diameter. So after calculating all area, we need to subtract all about this small hole diameter and bigger hole diameter areas. And friends, this section also having some area in rectangle shape, so also we calculated of this rectangle shape. Here some radius will make, but we try to neglect this area for easy calculation. Friends, this plate link surface area calculated by CAD data is 7.5 square inch. But friend, this plate link is different model from this. So this plate link having bigger length as compared to this. Friend, this plate link having 14 equal sections by dot separated by this dot line, and each dot line having some width like 9.95, 11, 10.94, 9.7 like this. And this is measured by with the help of vernier like this. Here some values will measured by this vernier like this, 9.78, 10 mm. We are trying to find out area of this twisted link. So Simpson's 1/3 rule is height or width divided by 3 in simple bracket first term plus last term plus 4 and summation of all odd word terms. 4 multiple summation of all odd terms plus 2 multiple of all even terms. So here after calculating width of this plate link is value is given here 9.95, 11, 10.94, 9.78, 9.78, 10. All terms are given here and these values are put here. So start with even number, odd number, even number, odd number, even. E O E O E O. So this is the first term and this is the last term. So you add first plus last. Here 9.95 plus 12.81. Friends, these values are measured every 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm. These section divided into 10 mm and all values is measured every 10 mm. So here width will be 10 mm divided by 3, first multiply plus last, and summation of all odd numbers multiple 4. So here odd number 11, 9.78, here 10, 9.8, 9.87, all odd numbers are summation by here, and after that multiply by 4, here plus all even number summation and multiply by 2. Even number is here 10.94, 9.78 and so on. Here all summation and multiply by 2. So after calculation you got these 1309.089 mm square, and if you try to calculate both side, then for both side multiply by 2 and it will be got 2618.17 mm square. Friend, these twisted plate link having 8 hole of 4.2 mm. So area will be calculated here, multiply by 8 because of 8 hole. So area will be, this small hole is here and this is a bigger hole, and this bigger hole is 7.5 mm and it area will be here. So after you adding this area will be counted in this. Upper portion area is 9 and 35. This will be calculated here, and these sections also calculated here. Here 35 minus 10 because this is 10, and both side it will be calculated here, and this area will be also calculated here, both side here, and adding all area minus whole my deducted in this area. Whole area is here, this bigger hole and smaller 8 hole, and this one bigger hole is here 1.8. So after calculating you got 4270.882 mm square, and after conversion it will be find out 6.62 square inch. So this is a Simpson's 1/3 rule for calculating any uneven surface area.